Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I am going to share with you my April box from the Ginger Quilter. This is a subscription, monthly subscription that costs $66 a month. So let's open it and see what's in here. It's a new box this month. I like it. Oops, it looks like I had some candy and it's open. Probably won't eat that. But looks like there's a pattern. There's some fabric and things, and let's take a closer look and see what's in here. So this is the April box from the Ginger Quilter. There's a lot here. I was going to read it, and I'm like, nope, I'm not going to. I will just show you what's in the box, and then I'll read it. First off, we have a pattern that is really cute. From Fig Tree and Company, and it's mini cherry pie. And the size is 19 by 20. That is cute. And then we have the fabric. This is a custom fabric bundle. Our first custom fabric bundle. Get it out. Yes, you heard it. We've created our very own custom fabric designs just for you. This is my first try at customization, and this really opens up possibilities to make the Ginger Quilter box even more unique for our subscribers. The pattern calls for way more fabric than you really need, so you can make a whole lot more cherries than just this mini quilt. That is a cute fabric. Look at that. That's cute. And let's see, there's quite a feet of fabric here. Oh, 27 inches. And then this is a smaller piece. It's the width of the fabric. Yep. And it's about 8 inches. Then we have this little bundle, which is a little hard to open. And these are all strips that are the width of the fabric, and it looks like they're about 4.5 inch strips. First red with cherries, red polka dots, nice swirl design, green leaf, green and pink, and a green blender, another green, and it looks like that's it. So those are the fabrics to use to make cherries and leaves. Cute. There is also a little pin cushion, embroidered pin cushion. I think this fabric, this probably went with the cherry, with the quilt. That one. So you got the batting, got a hoop, and this is a little kit to make that, make the little pin cushion. Kind of cute. And these are Swedish dishcloths. They're the cherry dishcloths. I like these. These are really cool. And then just spilled or that broke open, so I won't eat that. So that was what was in here. Looks like a cute pattern. So let me know what you think of this.